Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear student. Today we have a new try to solve mathematics science ninth class KPK Kohat Board. Question number 2 part second we try to solve simplify 3 index form 25 x exponent of 6 and y exponent of 4 divided by 27 xy square. So this is the index form of 3 index form 25x power 6 y power 4 divided by 7 exponent of 1 and y. We can simplify this index form we change into the power 25 x power 6 and y power 4 divided by 27 xy square whole exponent of 1 by 3 index form we can write in this form. Now it means that here in the denominator term is 3, so here we can write this term 5 square, we can write 25 and x power 6 and y power 4 divided by 27 we can write 3 exponent of 3 x y square as a whole exponent of 1 by 3. Now according to the double exponent rule we have x exponent of m whole exponent of n according to this double exponent rule, so we can multiply their exponent to each other. Similarly we can multiply this exponent to each terms. Now 5 square into 1 by 3 into x power 6 into 1 by 3 into y power 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 3 power 3 into 1 by 3 into x 1 power 1 and 1 by 3 and y square 1 by 3. Now whenever and here both terms are cancelled to each other and this is also cancelled, the other cancellation is not possible, so we can write, we can further simplify this term. So 5 exponent of 2 by 3 into x square and y power 4 by 3 divided by, and here is 3 is remaining and x power 1 by 3 into y 2 by 3. Now according to the quotient rule, division rule, when the bases are same, so we take and here their power are subtracted. In case of division, exponent of 2 by 3 into we take one base and also into y one base. In case of division we can subtract their power 2 minus 1 by 3. Similarly in here 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Now further, and here is also 3 is remaining 3, we can write same. So 2 by 3 divided by 3 and 2 x 2 by, this will be subtracted, we take LCM, 3 is the LCM and here in the denominator is 1. So 3 multiplied by 2 we get 6, 6 minus 1 and here is 3 is same, so 4 minus 2 are subtracted. Now further this will be equal to, further we can 2 by 3 divided by 3 into x, here 6 minus 1 we get 5, 5 by 3 into y 2 by 3 as the solution of simplification of this question number 2 part second. We are proceeding. Find the value of x from the equation log of x in this one. Question number third part. Find the value of x is unknown when log of x is given in the form of 0.8321. Taking anti-log on both sides, anti-log on both sides, log of x is equal to anti-log 0.8321. So this will be cancelled to each other. We get the value of x is equal to anti-log 0.82321. And anti-log, first of all, we can find their characteristic, and here in the first integer we are taking reference, that is called, this notation is called reference. If we are proceeding, first we can define the rule, and here from the point we are proceeding to the left sides, from the reference point we get negative sign. If we are proceeding from the reference number to the right side, we take positive sign. Remember these two rules generally. So, and here characteristic, we are proceeding from the reference left side, and they are reference in the point, decimal point, we get just only one number. So their characteristic is equal to -1, and -1 we can write in this form. Now Mantissa is 0.8232. We take and here x is equal to, we take anti-log table. We see the table. What is the if we check the main value from the Mantissa 0.82, and the column of main column 3, so we get 6.653, and the mean column, extra column, is the value is 2. We add this result, so 3 plus 2 we get 5, and 5 6.6. After the first integer we take the reference, and we count from the characteristic. If we put directly, if we count this result in the anti-logarithm, so we characteristic is negative, so it means that we count one integer to the left side, so we get 0.x is equal to 0.665 and 5. So this is the solution by table method. You can also use by calculator, and we get the question number 4, simplify the rational expression. So very simple question. Fourth part, rational expression, 1 by x minus 2 into 3x plus 6 divided by x square minus 4. Very simple question. So if we try to solve, 1 by x minus 2, and here 3 is common, taking common in the rational expression, we check the denominator term, there is common term, yes, 3 and 6 both are divided to each other, so we can write 3x plus 2, and here we can use the formula a square minus b square. According to this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula, we can write another term of x minus 2 into 3 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. We open this term according to the formula, so x plus 2 and x plus 2 are cancelled, and here is remaining 3 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 3, 3, and x minus 2, this is our same, so we can add their power 1 plus 1. So 3 divided by x minus 2 whole square. And also we can, if we expand this term, we can write this term, but this is also the simplification form. This is the answer. You can write this answer 3 divided by, if we are expanding, x square plus 4 and minus 4x. We can also write this answer according to the, open the formula. Next question, we have question number 5 is fx is equal to under root 2 minus 3. How we can find the value of x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x is unknown. And the second question, x square plus 1 over x square is also unknown. Very simple question. Now dear students, if we find this question, we can take, it means that here 1 by x is required, x is already given, so 1 by x is required. We can rationalize this term 1 by 2 minus 3. Now it means that we take the conjugate of this one, divide and multiplying, dividing and multiplying by the conjugate of if we take, and here 1 2 square root plus 3, this will be the conjugate of this one. We divide and also multiply. 1 by x is equal to 2 under the root plus 3, divide, and 2 under the root minus 3 into, and also if we are multiply, divide, this is multiply, and 2 under the root plus 3, this is 3, simple 3, this is simple 3 without 3, so square root. So 1 by x is equal to 2 under the root plus 3, and here we can use the formula 2a square minus b square. So this formula is, further we can simplify 2 under the root plus 3 divided by 2 square root, both are cancelled, 2 and minus 9. So 2 under the root plus 3 divided by minus 7. So further this result we can write minus 2 under the root divided by 7 and minus into plus minus 3 under root by 7. So this is the reciprocal of x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x. If we find x is given 2 under the root minus 3 and plus, the result is minus 2 under the root divided by 7, and similarly in here minus 3 by 7. Now x plus 1 over x is equal to, and now look here, so very difficult, but there is, most of the students are confused in here. This will be equal to in here this one. So we are expanding minus 3 plus into minus 2 under the root divided by 7 and plus into minus 3 by 7. Now 2 square root, if we take common, so the result is in here coefficient is 1 minus 1 by 7 is remaining, minus 3 by 7 we can write in this form. So 2 under the root, if we take common in here, 7 is the LCM, 7 minus 1, and minus in here is also 21 minus 3 divided by 7. So this result is 6 divided by 7, 2 under the root, and minus this will be minus 24 divided by 7. So question is very logical, but more x plus 1 over x is equal to 6 divided by 7, 2 under the root minus 24 divided by 7. Very confusing question for the students. So taking squaring on both sides of this terms, because we are required x square plus 1 over x square. So this will be open x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 into x into b term is 1 by x. If we open this term again, a square plus b square, so very difficult for the students. So 7 by 2 under the root whole square plus 24 divided by 7 whole square minus 2 into ab, 6 by 7, 6 by 7, 2 under the root and to 24 divided by 7. If we try to solve, what will happen in here? So both are cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to, so this will be equal to 36. 6 square 36, 7 square is 49, and 2 square root is cancelled with square root is cancelled. Similarly, and here 24 a square and divided by 49 minus, so this term is, we try to solve this one. If we 48 and 40 at 7, this will be 49 and 12, 88 and 2 square root. This is the result of, and 24 square is also required. 24 square is 576. Now x square plus 1 by x square, if we transfer this result, we get in here minus 2 plus 36 is 72, 72 divided by 49 minus, this will be 576 plus 576 divided by 49 and minus 228 under the root divided by 49. 2 under the root divided by 49. If we take the LCM of this question, x square plus 1 over x square, so this will be equal to 49 is their LCM. So this will be minus 2 into 49 plus 72 plus 576 minus 228 under the root 2. Many student mistake in this question, but the plus 1 over x square is equal to, if we, this will be 98 minus 98 plus 72. If we add this result, plus 72, so we get plus 648 minus 228 under the root 2 divided by 49. Now further the results, if we subtract this result to each other, so minus 98, so 550 minus 228 under the root 2 divided by 49. This is the value of x square plus 1 over x square. Actually, if we check, the question is completely, and here is mistake. 3 square root is must be here possible. So, but in the paper, in the board paper, there is a great mistake. Many students confused in this question. So the actual answer of, if we are finding without square root 3, so the solution is, possible answer is this one. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.